Hey super swing traders, I hope you're doing good. Today we're going to take a look at some charts and see where we can identify supply and demand order flow and trade it for income. Okay guys, let's take a look at USDCAD. Always take a look at the highest time frame first of your trading plan. In my case it's the monthly. Some people may trade the weekly, daily, 4 hour, but I'm trading the monthly, weekly, daily. Okay, so we have, this is not very clear, but we do have, let's see, we have supply up here, tested it, and then supply right here. Okay, and then a new area of supply created down here and touched it one time and then reacting to it. Okay, and so where is demand? I don't know if this is demand. Let me do an analysis real quick. So this is demand. So this is demand. This is technically not demand. Okay. I think demand is down here. Okay, so supply up here, demand down here, tested demand. So really there's not much demand at all actually. Yeah, not much demand, so we could see price dropping even more down here. Okay, all the way down here, even past this, because it's been tested many times already. It could make a big drop all the way down here. Okay, so since there are no areas of demand on the higher time frames, that will give us a nice clue to whether or not these levels that look like demand are going to hold. Okay, so this area is strong and everything, but it's not demand, so it could bounce a little bit, but expecting this area to get removed too. Okay, so we have on the weekly, we have monthly in a downtrend. Weekly is in a downtrend, and this area created this area of supply, and then also created this area of supply too. Okay, and now it finally dropped, and then this area could be, it's not supply, but can it work? Yes, it can work because it's got a decent base and nice 3 candle drop. Okay, so if it retraces down here, it could drop more. Okay, so if it retraces down here, you short and then go all the way down to here. This is demand, but it's very weak. You just look at the price action candle here. This is really weak. So once price drop down here, it could drop down to here and then bounce a little bit, but eventually it's gonna drop. Okay, this is not demand. Okay, and then I might as well set an alert for that right here too, just in case I want to short. Okay, so alert right here in case I want to short. Okay, so then on the daily, looks like a mess, but let's take a look. Let me do some cleanup work here. I haven't really looked at this chart in a while. Okay, so price created this area of supply, but like I said, I don't want to wait. I want to wait until price reaches up here. I don't like taking these small little candles to the downside. I don't really like that at all. I like to just take it at the extremes. Okay, so then this area is demand on the lower time frames. So this area is demand. Okay, so this area gives us the power to go back up to this area. It could short a little bit and then it can go back up, and then we can short and it will really fall down to down here. Okay, Otherwise, if it breaks this area of demand on the daily, then we have, if it breaks this area, then it'll create a new area of supply. So if it does this, breaks it, it will create an area of supply by the pullback and then go all the way down to here, which down here is, yeah, down here is this area of demand on the weekly, and I guess it's this one too, but this one is technically not demand, it's just an impulse and never did anything. Okay, so we're expecting price to drop down much lower. Okay, so that is the analysis on USDCAD. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, please smash that thumbs up button and subscribe for new future videos that I will be uploading, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button below and click that little bell icon. That way you'll get notified of the next video that I publish. Thanks again for watching.